Here is the home page of the LaGuardia Pathways website, www.laguardia.edu Pathways. How do you select courses for your new Pathways curriculum? Start by clicking on Degrees on the left side of the page. Let's take the Philosophy AA degree as an example. Click on Philosophy. Here is the Philosophy degree showing the Pathways Common Core. Remember that the Pathways Common Core consists of only 30 credits of your degree, the general education part of your degree. It is divided into two parts, the required core for 12 credits and the flexible core for 18 credits. Here you see the 12 credits for the required core. 6 credits in English, which is English Composition 1, and English 102, Writing Through Literature. For mathematical and quantitative reasoning, it's one course. You would select Math 107, 112, or 118. Life and Physical Sciences, also one course. You would select Biological Sciences, or Chemistry, or Physics, or Astronomy. Those 12 credits would complete the Pathways required core. The second part of Pathways is the flexible core. There you can select courses adding up to 18 credits. To find those courses, let's go back to the first page of the website. We're back on the home page of the Pathways website. To find the listing of courses in the flexible core, click on General Education Requirements on the left-hand side of the page. On the drop-down menu, now click on Flexible Common Core. Now you are looking at a listing of the 5 categories of the Flexible Common Core: World Cultures and Global Issues, U.S. Experience in its Diversity, Creative Expressions, Individual and Society, and Scientific World. As you click on each category, you will see a list of the courses from which you may select. When selecting courses, there are 3 rules to follow. First, you must select at least one course from each of the 5 categories. Second, select one additional course from any of the categories. And third, do not select more than 2 courses in the same discipline. Now, let's go through each category. The first category is World Cultures and Global Issues. You will see that courses are divided first by department and then by discipline within the department. The first department you see is Education and Language Acquisition, and here you will see the discipline of Reading and the discipline of Modern Languages. We are still looking at the category of World Cultures and Global Issues. Here are the remaining courses in that category. Again, they are first divided by department, such as the English department, and then by discipline, such as Literary Studies. You will see the Humanities department has various disciplines: Fine Arts, Media Studies, Philosophy, and Theater. The Social Science department also has various disciplines: Anthropology, Economics, Geography, History, and Political Science. You should select one course from the World Cultures and Global Issues category. Keep in mind that you cannot select more than 2 courses in any one discipline. So, for example, let's select English 266 in Literary Studies, Shakespeare. Let's go to the next category, the U.S. Experience in its Diversity. Again, you see that courses are listed first by department and then by discipline. Let's select from the Social Science Department and the Political Science discipline the course SSP 101, U.S. Power and Politics. We are now looking at the third category, Creative Expressions. Again, you see that courses are listed by department and then by discipline. This time, let's choose a course from the Humanities Department, and the discipline will be Fine Arts. Let's select HUA 101, Introduction to Art. We are now looking at the fourth category, Individual and Society. Remember, to complete the Pathways Flexible Core, you are selecting one course from each of these 5 categories. Let's select a course from the Individual and Society category. Again, courses are listed by department and discipline area. Let's look at the Humanities Department, the Philosophy discipline, and let's select HUP 104, Ethics and Moral Issues. We are now looking at the fifth category, Scientific World. Again, the courses are listed by department and discipline. Let's look at the Social Science Department, the discipline of Psychology, and select SSY 230, Abnormal Psychology. We have now selected one course from each of the 5 Pathways categories. To complete the Flexible Core requirement, you must select one additional course from any one of those 5 categories. Let's go back to World Cultures and Global Issues and select a course from there. We are now looking at the World Cultures and Global Issues category again. Let's select a second course from this category to fulfill the Flexible Core requirements. Let's go to the Humanities Department. The discipline is Philosophy, and the course HUP 105, Philosophy of Religion. This will be the 6th course that will complete the 18 credits required in the Flexible Core. So here is a summary of what we have selected in this example. 6 courses have been chosen which fulfill the 18 credits required in the Flexible Core. First, there is a minimum of 1 course in each of the 5 categories: World Cultures and Global Issues, U.S. Experience in its Diversity, Creative Expressions, Individual and Society, and Scientific World. Second, there is 1 additional course which can be selected from any category. In this case, we chose a second course in the World Cultures and Global Issues category. And third, you cannot pick more than 2 courses in any one discipline. You will see here that there are 2 courses in the Philosophy discipline. That is okay. However, we could not select a 3rd course in Philosophy. Here's an example then of a completed Pathways Flexible Core.